So guys, watch me do a deep wave 20-inch 180 density. So put on my stocking cap. Then I'll put some got to be glue spray, and I use the blow dryer. I go and dry it in order to cut my stocking cap. Then I put one layer glue on it, and I go and look on it, and I go and press it in. And I go and look for myself. Yes, go on with myself here. So yeah. Then I put one more layer upon it. Make sure the glue I'm using by the glue have a sheen reasonable. Hold good too. I'm going to make it dry. Yes, that one dry. Go on, make it dry. Then me go outside now and I look for myself and I want to get some of the fresh breeze. Then for my brother asked me, say, why me have that this stocking cap over for my face? So, but you don't know the hair thing go. So this time I done, I put on here, I go and press in with my comb, I go and comb in it, and it give my scalp look good, it look alright, and no style or anything. One time ever wear the wig here. So I put it on back. Yes, it look nice already. One comb in it. Look really good. It give my scalp look like my real hair. Yes. Can go on, man. Alright, this one I'm done. And I feel myself. It look really good. As you know, I can't style it. So I have to just always catch up one little piece in the top. That's all I can do. Baby hair. I'm not good with it either, but I like when my hair is messy. I don't like a neat hair. That's me. I don't like neat hair. Yes, this is when me reach around now and I feel myself. Yes, yeah, work I feel myself. Yes, I come down the stairs feeling good because I kind of feel the hair. It look nice to me. I like it. So yeah, look good. Yeah, I reckon I go and film myself on the night shift.